Getting started with TKD Tracker is quick and easy. Start by creating your first champion. This represents the athlete you'll be tracking, like your child or student. You can also upload an avatar to personalize their profile. Next, add a competitor. Competitors are the opponents your champion will face in tournaments. Once that's set, create your first tournament. Give it a name, date, and tournament class, and you're ready to begin. At this point, your setup is complete. You can start adding competitors to events, scoring matches, and tracking progress throughout the tournament. TKD Tracker is designed to keep everything organized from the start, so you can focus on the athletes, not the setup. TKD Tracker. Score it, track it, share it.